Yeah. So now we
Okay.
are in front of the audience. The audience can hear you. The audience can see you.
Okay.
Ramit will introduce you, and then he will hand over the mic to you, and he will step down from the stage.
Okay.
Yeah, we can see the screen pretty well.
And you can still see it okay right now?
Yeah, emphatic listening, listening with the intent to understand, seek first, and really understand.
Okay.
Pretty clear, Mike. It's very clear.
All right. Very good.
Once Ramit steps down, you start with your presentation. You can go ahead with your session. Uh, Participants will ask the question Q&A chat. The Ramit will pick some questions for you, and he will post these questions to you verbally.
Okay.
Depending on the availability of time, maybe 4 5 questions he will ask you, and the rest you can take offline, either in the lobby or in the lounge where 4 people can sit on a table, or on the VIP room, one-to-one interaction between you and the participant.
Okay.
It's a private room, VIP room only for speakers. They can enter that room and they can invite any participant who wants to have one-to-one interaction with you.
Okay. And this this is the same link I'll use Thursday.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. This is the
All right.
same link. This link is embedded in the invite which I have shared with you for Thursday.
Okay. Okay. Perfect.
Okay, and
Um,
when your video is on
and
and your presentation is on, your photo or video will be on the right corner, top right corner. So
okay.
try to avoid any text in the top right corner in the
Okay.
PPT.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah,
All right.
and would request you to keep the video on so that the participant have a feeling of an actual conference, that they see you
Mm-hmm.
and they hear you
Mm-hmm.
and they see the presentation.
Yeah. Absolutely.
This was about your presentation and about your session. If you have 5 minutes, I can share quickly. Run you through the conference features, platform features.
Okay.
So on the left, we have a few icons. On the left, you see we have a few icons starting from stage floor. Floor is nothing but all the icons which are listed below are brought on uh, in one image in a 3D view. Stage
Yeah.
is the stage. When you click on stage, you will see a lot of like the entire conference agenda will pop up on your right. Now,
Okay.
whichever session is live, that session will be the join button will turn green in color. Like your session right now is the leave button is green in color.
Okay.
Similarly, after your session, whichever session will be live, that session will the join button will turn green in color, and you can join that session as a participant, not as a speaker.
Okay.
You are a speaker only in your session.
All
Okay.
right.
So if you are lost somewhere and if you don't know where to reach your session, how to reach your session, just click on stage, see your session name, and click on join. You will come to the backstage of your session.
Gotcha.
Okay. Lobby is the place where you will see the list of participants who are there on the platform at that time. They may be anywhere in your session, in the lounge, in the VIP room, in the booths, anywhere. Lounge is a space where 4 people can sit and have a chat among themselves. It's here also we have a audio, video, and screen sharing facility. So, like if you want to have take questions offline, you can go and sit on one of the tables, and the participants join you. You can share your screen. You can talk to them. You can have video conferencing call with them.
Okay.
It's a similar scene in VIP also. VIP is a private room for speakers. Here it's a one-to-one interaction between you and the participant.
Gotcha.
Booth is the place, is the exhibitor booths or the sponsor booths. You can, if you want, you can explore them. You can explore their offerings. You can go to the booth and meet them. Help desk is the place where someone from the admin team will be available. So if you have any, like if someone has any queries, they can come to the help desk and get that resolved like if they are lost somewhere, how they don't know how to go to any session, they can come to the help desk and get the help of take the help of the admin team.
Okay.
Hashtag is a type of social wall where the participants can post their thoughts, feedbacks about the conference, and all other participants who are there in this conference can see that wall or the feedback. This was on the left side. Now on the right side, we have the top partners. When you click on that, you will see the logos of various sponsors which are run through bottom to top. And when you click it again, it will be minimized. You won't be able to see it. Discuss
Okay.
is
Gotcha.
Discuss is the chat. There are two types of chats. One is the public and one is private. The audience can see the public chat, but they cannot see the private chat. Private chat is between the speaker and the panelist and the admin team. Q&A, as I said, the participants will post their queries on the Q&A, and the host will pick up the most interesting questions, and he will post those questions to you. Panelist is the list of speaker and the admin who will be there present at that time in the session. If you have some polls, you can share with us. We can upload it, and we can make it live whenever we want and declare the results of the polls. If you want to share any brochure or handouts with the participants, we can upload that too, and the participant can download from this session.
All right.
Audience will be the list of the participants who are there in this session at that time.
Okay. All right.
At the bottom, there is a round share and invite button. Through this, you can invite the participants to your session. And in the photo booth, you can click your selfie and post it on social media.
Okay.
Leave exit room is a button. From how by using it, you will exit this room. You will exit the session, but not the platform. You will be there somewhere on the platform. Mostly, you will be going on the backstage. From there, you can join the lounge, the VIP room, the booth, wherever you want to go. On the top right corner, there is a profile button, and you can click it and update your profile. That will become your business card. You can exchange the business card with the participants. And to exit from the platform, there's an exit button at the bottom of profile. When you click on profile, you'll see an exit button. So by clicking on that, you will exit from the platform.
Okay.
And the last is a handout bag. If you download any brochures or if you exchange any business cards with anyone, everything will be get collected in your handout bag. And at the end of the session, you can transfer it to your mailbox by just a click of the button.
Okay.
So this was the feature about the platform and a quick run through about the platform. If you have any queries, Mike, you can ask me.
I'm the only thing I'm doing right now is I'm putting in this profile. I don't know if you can see the changes, but
you'll have to refresh it, then only the changes will be seen. So once you refresh it, you will go to the backstage again. So you can do once the dry run is over, and whenever you have time, you can update the profile.
Okay. So I've done the update there. Okay, please select city. Okay. I think it's done it. Well, I clicked update. I don't know if it did the update.
Angela, you're there?
Yeah, I'm there. Where did you go?
No, he clicked on update. No, when it gets update, when you click on update, it refreshes the screen, and when you refresh it, it goes to that stage.
Okay.
I think so. He must have gone backstage.
You want to go and check?
Okay.
Yeah, he's back. Yeah.
So there's a good test for you. If you update your profile while you're going live, it will take you out of live and put you back in the lobby.
Yeah, it will take you to the backstage.
Okay. Okay. Sorry about
That's what
that.
I said. If you click on update, it
Yeah.
will take you to the backstage.
No. Okay. Sorry about that. You already tested that. All right. So I'm at 11:15, right? And it's a total of um, 30 minutes
45.
or 45. Okay, but
The
30
total
for the
session,
talk.
yeah, total session is 45 minutes, 30 minutes for the talk, for 10 minutes for the Q&A, and 5 minutes for the transition time from here to there. If there is any technical glitch, we keep 5 minutes as a transition time.
Okay. Okay. All right. Well, I've got plenty of material. I've probably got way more than 30, so I'll have to work on that. But I do watch. I was practicing when I can take this screen out of the back and have a screen here to watch my time, so I should be okay there. Um, I've done this several times on floor and other sites. The first time I ever used this about a year ago, um, it took us a long time to figure out that Safari is not a good user of this platform. Um, couldn't hear, couldn't see, it wouldn't work well. But I'm using Google Chrome, so I think that'll fix that problem.
Yeah, Google
But
Chrome is the best for this platform.
yeah,
We have done two conferences on this platform last year and this one this year. Fortunately, touchwood, we have not yet faced any issues till now.
yeah, it seems to do okay with Chrome, so that's a good thing.
Yeah, yeah. It runs very good with Chrome, and the only issue is if you don't have a good internet connection, then there may be a problem. That's it.
Yeah,
Otherwise, generally it doesn't have any problem.
no, I will touch wood for you and say I've got a really good connection. I got a 1 gig Wi-Fi here, and we hope it's that way. It should be okay at 1:45 in the morning here. So
Yeah, because the users
my
usage will
kids
be
won't be
less.
using it. Yeah. All right.
Okay, Mike. Then
This is
see
good.
you on Thursday, 11:15 India time.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, thanks to you both. Sorry to hold you up.
No, no
Yesterday
problem.
yesterday I got up at 6:45. My son's dog had died. He had not been sick. But he was 10 years old. So
Oh, sorry to hear that.
that was our surprise yesterday morning at 6 o'clock, and so we had to go take care of that in the morning. It
Oh,
was unexpected. So
so it was
um,
an accident or how? Suddenly?
no, he was a really old dog. He was 10 years
Okay.
old, and but he showed no signs of not being well. He just went from being okay to not well, and my son took him outside and was staying outside with him for a couple of hours, and then my son went to sleep outside waiting for him to get better, and then he woke up and he had died in the yard. So it's tough, but you know it's okay. We've got 3 big dogs, so now there's 2 more to deal with. So still, um, but it'll be okay. He's my son's a tough one. He's 18, so um, he's dealt with it. But it was a shock because the dog never got sick or anything. He
Mhm.
just passed away immediately. So anyway, we've dealt with that. Hopefully, I don't see anything like that happening in the next 2 days. So we've already had our one shock of the week.
Yeah,
So
sure. Okay. Thanks, Mike. Thanks for joining.
all right, folks, I will see you then. And sorry again for making you wait on me. But if you need anything, you know how to reach me on WhatsApp.
No issues.
Just drop me a message there, and we'll talk before the event.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Thanks.
Yeah, okay.
Bye.
Thanks,
All right.
Mike.
Thank you both.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.